everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a beautiful 1995 Chevrolet Z28 convertible. Not the typical car you see here at Southern Motors. Normally, you'd see a 69. But I bought this car, actually I bought this car along with a 70 Camaro SS. And I thought it'd make somebody a great summer cruiser. Fun car, 22,000 original miles, clean Carfax. Again, it is a Z28 with a 6-speed manual trans, got the convertible top. I do have the hard top boot for it as well. But I thought it was a cool car. Fun summer car, put the top down, shift the gears and go have some fun. Factory silver metallic, it's got the charcoal leather in it. It's got the factory aluminum wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes, it's got air. Like I say, just a cool car, fun car I thought somebody'd have a blast with. I couldn't really nitpick a whole lot. There's a couple little marks in the paint, little ding here or there. I saw a couple little dings. I'll try to point those out. But the car looked really good. Again, it's got a clean Carfax. You see a little mark on that front nose. The paint's nice, interior's nice. Again, you can see just a couple little stone pecks on the front. But the car's never been wrecked or anything like that. Glass is nice. And of course some miles, man. If you want stuff with low miles, 22,000 original miles. 6-speed, power top. Again, I have the hard top boot in the building there for it. It's got those are factory 60-inch wheels. It's got BF Goodrich, what are they, G-Force Comp 2s. Got a little mark in the paint there. That's wax from my guys. So a little red mark. Again, I don't think the car's ever been painted on. I dug it. I thought it was cool. Clean, straight, fun little car. Factory 5.7 fuel injected engine. Again, 6-speed manual trans, air, power rack and pinion steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, pretty much the standard the way they came. You can see it's got all your original stickers and everything like that on it. Again, I'm not used to doing a video like this. Normally I don't even know what to show you. I don't know what people want on a newer car. I just saw some cool. We saw a couple online where people put some cool wheels on them and a couple, some ground effects, and they got a good look to them. Like I say, if you're looking for a fun convertible, I think you'll have a blast with the car. Little mark there. I'm not trying to pick the car apart, but I'm just trying to show you everything. Power windows, power locks, remote mirrors. Of course, leather bucket seats, console, tilt, cruise, power top. 22,577 on your odometer. Like I say, we've got everything through the Carfax, factory gauge cluster. Factory AM, FM, CD, original owner's manuals in the glove box, even original mats, stock dual exhaust, factory rear end. It's clean here. I also wanted to, it's hard to see it kind of. There's a little ding right here, I think. Again, I'm not trying to just pick the car to death, but I want you to know what you're getting, man. I've been in business for 43 years, man. I try to describe these cars as accurately as I can. Power trunk releases in the glove box. They make a lot of upgrades for these cars. I did get it up in the air, got some pictures of the bottom. You see how clean the bottom of the car is. The car's definitely had an easy life. The lock for the wheels is also in the glove box. Go ahead, Jordan, you fire it up. You can start to put that top up too, so you can get a good look at that top. Little scratch there. That'll probably rub out, guys. Yeah, the air blows cold. Car, like I say, drives out good. Really nice car. I don't know what to tell you. It's like I say, it's not my normal cup of tea here. Normally my car I'd be shooting a video on and have some kind of pounding camshaft in it. I think it flips forward. It's okay. I'm just going to show you. You can put it right back down. Just want to show them all the gauges and everything. Everything works in there. It's all power top, canvas top, glass rear window, rear to fog. Like I say, radio works, blower motor works. Headlights. Got to turn. There you go. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you can get a notification every time I post a new one of these videos. Have a great day, guys.